what? Jack sent me some amazing crafty things for our collab and I can't wait to show you. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I'm excited. Let's open this package up. The first thing that we have is the precision hand knife cutter, super sharp, ready to cut with all of these details. Then we have not one but 2 bottles of glue. Oh, and check this out, these gorgeous gold metallic sheets, so shiny and perfect for adding some sparkle. But wait, there's more. A whole pack of sunflower cardstock, 180 GSM with 24 sheets, 12 by 12. This is absolutely beautiful. With these, we'll be creating some gorgeous DIY magnetic bookmarks. So stay tuned for the full tutorial, and I'm sure you'll love how easy and fun this project will be with these high quality materials from Jags India. Make sure you hit follow so you don't miss out. And last but not the least, we have this huge magnetic sheet which is thin and adhesive and durable. Thank you, Jags, for all this amazing stuff. Let's get crafty with Jags India.